Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, so problem 18 here is about sort of figuring out what kind of molecule either inhibits CDK or is controlled by p53. Okay, and so we have a list to choose from here, and one thing to note is that cyclin, right? Cyclin and CDK do have a relationship where they regulate the cell cycle at these various checkpoints, but they bind to each other, right? They work together. And so it's not one is not inhibiting the other. It's sort of the opposite. By binding together, they're able to regulate the cell. Okay, so that's not going to be our answer. Okay, then we go to p21 and RB, right? And so p21 and RB are also these negative regulators, right? So is p53. So all three of those together are negative regulators. And while having more p53 can sort of induce a response in the cell to also produce more p21, p53 is not directly controlling p21, right? And RB, while it is also a negative regulator, it doesn't really have a relationship. There's no relationship here with the p53 directly. And so by a process of elimination, we can sort of see that the answer is going to be A. But one thing to note here is that the K in CDK stands for kinase, right? So it's an enzyme of sorts, okay? And so it makes sense then that an anti-kinase would inhibit a type of kinase, right? So the correct answer here is A.